And what are we doing today?
I don't know. We're gonna go shopping.
We're gonna go shopping, yeah, but what are we gonna do at the club today? We're gonna go sailing. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Mwah. All right, before we go out in the water, I'm going to try to install this Harpoon tiller extension, which I think will be the perfect length for our boat. There might be a little complication because it already has a mount for the same tiller extension, and just need to see if I need to remount that part. Alright, groovy. Should go right into the same mount. And if it doesn't, the simple solution will be for me to put the I might need to just screw the new mount in where the old one was, because I'm pretty sure they're exactly the same. There we go. There we go. Alright, doesn't just slide in, maybe because it's wet. I might need something to bang it with. Bang it into place. It's just a piece of rubber, so it's all good. And it's gone into place perfectly here. No compromises or anything. And now the new lid just clips right over it as if it were. So now, good for me, I have these parts that I can put in my part bag right here. Right there. So that if anybody, one day, if someone says, oh man, I'm missing this part, I have a tiller extension, but I don't have a mount, I can say, hey, I have one right here in my bag of tricks. And now we have a tiller mount, tiller extension. So, I'm out here. Thank God I got here at sunrise. By 3 o'clock maybe I can do some sailing. As I was rigging up my boat earlier, I stepped forward and put my hand on the boom and it got pinched at the gooseneck and the boom, and I thought, geez, it didn't hurt, but I felt it pinch a little bit, and I thought, how could that happen? And so I looked and I saw that the boom was kind of wiggly on the gooseneck and that I had blown a rivet. So I had to run home. This rivet looks okay. I'm going to fix it next time when I find my drill. But I had to run home and get my rivet gun so that I could fix this rivet. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Okay? So I'm going to put the camera right here. And that looks good. And I'll see if I can put a rivet in real quick and maybe get sailing. And there it is. All right, so now, in theory, I can rig up the boat and I can do some sailing. Pretty slick, huh?
Yeah.
All right, yes, please. Throw me off. That's nothing. Hey, honey. You see how she sails in almost no wind? She's sailing. It's unbelievable, isn't it? This boat is nice. I And I like this tiller extension, by the way. That's pretty nifty. She really sails, whether it's really light wind or heavy wind. I haven't had her out in really heavy wind or anything over like 10 knots. But yeah, it's pretty impressive how she grabs any little wind that there is. She grabs it and she goes. And it's fun. I don't know, maybe because I never had a boat before, a sailboat, so this is fun for me. We're going to get a little more wind as soon as we get out here. Baba! Ahoy, Baba! Ahoy! Excellent. Now we have some wind. Right now we have to go buy some sandwiches. I don't know if we're going to be able to find your
Hi, you're watching Harpoon Dreams.